Oh, what's up, Stephanie?
What's up?
What are you doing?
Chilling.
Yeah? What's up, Gonzo?
Going home.
Oh, okay. Ooh!
My dad gave it.
That shit looks sick, bro. That looks hard as fuck. Where'd you get that?
My dad. Wait, what, the sticker?
Yeah.
My dad as well. Stephanie, you have to lay down
What do you mean?
to spread the weight, so that way we're not rubbing.
No, you have the weight on the sweater or nothing.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works. I don't even know what we're doing today, so I'm not even gonna start it off with that. I don't even think we should start off with that anymore. We should just go on to the video, huh?
Oh, Jesus.
That was bad. We do have a couple of things to do today. One, we have to ship out the hoodies. If you've seen yesterday's video, this is probably gonna be uploaded a little later, but yesterday's video was when we installed, or the shop did the custom exhaust on my dad's G37. We were supposed to ship out the hoodies then. I'm trying to ship them out as soon as possible. We did get them last week, but it was Christmas and everyone was busy, and obviously the post office was closed. So that's where we're gonna go right now to get estimates, because honestly, we've never shipped hoodies out before, so we're learning and we're just being transparent with the whole thing, because one day we hope to sell way more stuff. And with stickers, it's really easy to ship out. With hoodies, it's gonna be a little different. Obviously, the price varies based on locations. So we're gonna see what we should package them in, and yeah, set the labels up and everything. So that's gonna be our first thing for today. And we have some things we had to do on pretty much everyone's car. Stephanie's gonna get her first interior mod. We're gonna finally install that. What are you talking about?
Oh, I want some candy.
Gonzo's Z isn't starting properly either. On hot starts, which is when the car's already been warmed up, it takes a while for it to crank, and he replaced the starter not testing anything, which obviously was his bad.
I didn't replace what Charles did. So fuck Jiffy Lube and Pep Boys, wherever the fuck he works.
So hurt.
He wasn't even working there when he did it, so fuck that guy.
I'm gonna be testing it to make sure everything's good. I believe it's the ground. It's a ground connection, because obviously when it gets hot, there's more resistance.
Jesus.
Pretty simple electricity there. But yeah, more heat is, what are you doing?
Angling.
Dude, it's fine. More heat, more resistance, and if it's a loose connection or a bad connection, that's not good, and it's probably why it's doing that. Oh shit, now it's getting really dark. We're pulling up to the post office right now. We're gonna get everything situated to see what the costs are, and then we'll be right back. So we just finished looking all the packages at the post office, and there was nothing that could fit the hoodies, because we do have larges and extra larges. So we're gonna go to Staples. Trying to rep match like me. Yeah, you fucking
I can't do it the second. I don't fucking know this car, goddamn man.
Nah, second you have to do it more because of the higher gear.
No, I know.
No, you don't know.
The Z's different. The Z has a stiffer clutch. Don't argue with me. You're gonna lose. You know what I'm saying?
So we're heading out to Staples right now to see what packages we can use, and we're just gonna use a medium hoodie as a reference, because that's what we did at the post office. And hopefully it's not gonna be too expensive. We're not gonna ship them out in boxes. That's not what we're gonna do. We're gonna ship them out, and I don't know how you would describe them.
They're like, they're cushion bags. So like what most people see, it's like when you get a package from any other place and their stickers, they're like, they have cushioning inside it. They have a little popping shit, whatever it's called.
But it's already built into the bag.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to find that. This fool doesn't even know how to talk. I closed the door on your Beamer and it was too low.
Don't talk to me.
It's so nice here.
People actually come here?
Yes, I come here all the time. This is where I made the labels.
I've never came here before.
No?
Nah, this is smart people's store.
Ooh, right there, left. Dumbass. I think we're gonna be using these 14¼ by 19-inch. They're not even envelopes, they're mailers, bro.
This is bubble mail. But this one.
Bro. That shit right there just moved. No one touched it. That's just haunted. Don't come here.
I know. I think we'll probably go with the big one. Just like he said, we're gonna be shipping out extra larges as well. So I think we just want to go through the safe.
I don't know. I think we should just do. I think we should do these just in case.
They're freaking big, but
What? Who are you?
So what we're gonna do now is it probably look a little bit cleaner instead of having a big ass bag.
they're 19 by 24, so it's gonna be bigger than this.
That's what I was saying. Imagine. Yeah, we've seen a lot of other people use bags, and we think it's just a way cleaner look. And if you want, we can put like dumb designs on it just for the fun of it. Because
We'll draw one thing for every order.
and everyone gets like an individual design.
Yeah.
I'm really good at drawing penises, so one of you guys are gonna get one.
I'm done.
Why are you done? Bro, this is actually comfy. You know, we gotta open one every video now, just for the boys. It gets easier every time.
This is a sick ass jacket. Where'd you get it from?
Thanks. I got it from some guy.
From the Seagulls, huh?
Some guy has a brand called Egos.
Broken Egos. These are all the orders that we have to ship. All of the ones that are local, we're just gonna be dropping them off. So these are the only ones that are from far away's land.
Far away land. This is what really happens.
You fucking white soda on me.
We don't even work on cars, we just
Fucking bitch.
hit each other.
Fuck out of here,
That shit fucking hurts.
You always come back here trying to beat my ass, and you know I can beat your ass.
For any of you guys that own a Miata, do you ever just can't see shit because you don't have lights? Well, today we're gonna be doing something not very that interesting, but I want to be able to see from now on. So we're gonna be showing you the lights that I got from, where is it from?
Color Flow.
Color Flow. So we got these LED strip lights, and we're gonna be putting them inside the interior so I can actually see at night. Well, after spending like 2 hours trying to untangle them, this is what they are. They're just little LED strips, so they do come with 4. Alright, so the key does have to be the ignition, so do keep that in mind. And then once you do turn it on, this is what they look like. So I believe this one is the one that doesn't work, sadly. So I guess you have to download an app. It's called Happy Lighting, and you can literally change to any color you want just by playing with the color wheel, or they have like these presets already. So green, blue, purple. I think I'm gonna stick with the.
So right now I'm gonna be filming with the GoPro just to show you guys what we're thinking of doing. Looking inside, this is the main control module that sends all the power to the lights. So this is the biggest thing that we're gonna have to hide. Obviously those strips, we're thinking about placing it under here, just where you can't see, on both sides. And since only 3 work out of the 4, Color Flow, hit me up, man. Come on, dude. But the third one, we're probably gonna either put it on the driver's side or the passenger. I don't think it's gonna look good if we just literally have it in the middle. So what we're gonna do is just one, and if Color Flow gets back to us once we email them or DM him on Instagram, we can replace it. So yeah, for now we're just gonna do it that way, and I guess this is just gonna be our first like test run just to see if we can tuck all the wires successfully and then go from there. They are pretty hard to remove just because they are old, but you should be fine as long as you put force, and there you go, they already dropped. It doesn't look like we have to remove the whole thing. We're just gonna remove, I already removed this Phillips screw, but she's removing this side, and then we're just gonna pull it up. So what we're gonna do is grab one of the LEDs, and yeah, just like that. You can just close it back up, and the wire is gonna be hidden, and then we can tuck the wire underneath, and then it's gonna be just like that. I'm gonna put 3M double-sided tape, and I'm actually gonna just hide it and tack it under here, which is gonna make it look a lot better. What I'm trying to do right here is we're trying to think of a good spot to put it at, and I'm thinking maybe we can actually run it along here and just place it right here or even just run the wire down here and place it right here, just so we actually, you know, use the third light. Because if we just place it on one side of the back seat and on the other side, it's gonna look pretty stupid. So we'll see how this comes out, and hopefully
it doesn't look dumb. Alright guys, so they're on. As you can see, the light's coming in now, so I can finally be able to see at night. So like, obviously you can't really tell during the day, but at night this would make such a big difference. Let me change the colors real quick. Ooh.
I want to see your guys' opinion on that video that Stephanie was filming of herself, because she did use the new GoPro that she bought me for Christmas, and I want to see what's a better alternative, just so we can have different angles of things. As Stephanie said, we finally tucked everything and it actually does look pretty good. We can probably tuck it a little better and actually hide it underneath so you don't see the lights at all and you just see the glow. But we'll probably do that when we get better ones, which we're planning on doing anyways. We just want to see what we can do for now. Now that we're done with the Miata, we're gonna go back into the car and start driving again, because we have to go to my boy Paul's shop. If you guys don't know who Paul is, he helped wrap the two front bumper, the front bumper and the rear bumper on my car, because I couldn't do it with that specific wrap. It was a little difficult.
Hey, what'd you get?
Finally got my trim piece.
Finally.
If you guys noticed, this whole trim area on my bumper is literally not painted or wrapped, should I say. And that's because I lost the main trim piece.
For like months.
Yeah, and I didn't know where it was at, and he finally found it in the shop. So I'm gonna rewrap it, put it on, put on the rest, and finally we'll look complete, especially when I get a... What model is it again? Oh, what's up, bro?
What's up, dude?
Got you, bro.
So I went to Nissan, fuck them.
Why? I get to drive the GTR. Oh. Respect. No.
I'm lucky you. That's
no, it's just me.
That was
you guys are hurt now, huh? God damn it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You know what? You know what? I'll fucking tickle you. I'm just kidding. Chill.
So much on already.
Oh shit, it's on already, huh?
Yeah.
Why do you have a police scanner in a fucking hybrid?
80. Morning? We'll get you a ticket in a hybrid.
80 kilowatts, huh?
Look at this kilowatts.
I know. Jeez, so
much
fast.
More power than a Miata. That's so sad. So we'll talk real quick about what happened to the G. We'll get straight to the point.
We'll go straight to the point right now.
We have to rebuild the motor.
We were actually gonna do a clickbait video, so just letting you guys know that we didn't do it for you guys, because we were gonna do G35 almost blows up, because in reality it almost did.
Yes.
The red oil light came on, which is low oil pressure, and sometimes those sensors are faulty. So I decided to actually check it, because I'm a
master technician.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you for hyping me up like that.
I got you. So we checked the oil pressure. Finally, the car was warmed up. At idle, it was at 4 psi.
So bad. That is so bad.
3 to 4 psi, and that's not good. I think idle should be about 15ish, 10, 15ish.
That's spec, yeah.
So, oil pump is going out. It didn't go out, luckily.
It could be the oil pump, or it could be a gallery gasket, something like that. And we did an oil change. He did switch to a thicker weight. That's why we were thinking it was that problem. He switched to a thinner weight after that, and it stopped for a little bit, and then it came back on. So obviously, it's either going to be the oil pump going out or the gallery gaskets that just shot out. So regardless, it already burns a lot of oil, and he's better off just actually doing an engine rebuild or a new motor. Because if he keeps driving it, which he isn't, with
that's why I got this thing.
Yeah, with no oil pressure, it's gonna start scarring the bearings. It's just gonna start fucking everything up, because it's just gonna be metal on metal contact. And once you get to that point, you cannot rebuild it, because it's just gonna be too much damage.
Sad thing is, I cannot find a good used rev up engine at all. I only find HRs and regular DEs.
Yeah, which is
I'm not trying to be like that guy back there.
What, cars actually gapping fills?
So slow. I went to Nissan out of curiosity just to get a price, and I knew it was gonna be overpriced.
I don't know why you went, bro.
I was on my way to Danny's house, and it's right down the street pretty much. So I'm like, all right, I want to go see what a ridiculous price they'll give me, and oh my god. They gave me the I don't want to rebuild it price, which is 9 to 10 grand.
For a rebuild, which honestly,
That's
you
not
would think
worth
it's
it.
about like 6 grand.
At most.
10 grand for a rebuild. 10 grand, it would probably be like, what, 7 grand for a whole new block, so.
You get a new motor for under 10 grand.
That's what I'm saying.
We just shipped out the hoodies and it's actually really expensive. So then we decided we're not gonna ship them out. We're just gonna keep you guys' money because you guys support the channel and we need to build our shit. So if you don't get your jacket, you know why. And yeah, that's it. I'm just kidding, guys. It was a little bit of a hassle just because we realized that since some of you guys are a little bit further than others, it costs a little bit more. So we're gonna now like input something on the website where it can actually calculate or estimate the shipping for whatever you get. So you'll actually know how much shipping is from now on. So it might be cheaper for some of you, but a little bit more expensive for others. So if anything, just move closer to Cali and you won't pay that much.
Since it is dark, we didn't want to end the video without showing you guys how the lights look right now. Ooh, she's gonna go on the app watch.
Ready?
Yeah. Ooh.
Ooh. It's a point in here.
That is pretty sick.
That's pretty bright.
Yeah. This is how it looks inside. This is a little too bright for me, but I'm sure that she's not gonna have it on because obviously it's a little push button. So she just went, ooh, ooh, strobe. Change the colors. That looks nice right there, Leo right there. This is dope because finally she does have some lighting other than this jank ass light right here, which is literally the only one that works. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Nothing too crazy on the Miata or what we did today, but we want to give you an insight of what we deal with day to day. So if you guys like these vlogs, comment down below, and the next video we're doing is definitely gonna be an install and it's gonna be pretty dope. So just a little hint, E46 gang. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.